So I show driving license. We will have this competition of building a car. Of course.
Oh, and they're there.
Oh, one's there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so
In the front as well, or do you want it to
one in the front.
Rock and roll.
Should we color this or something? Or like...
Like a low snap.
We are 6 people.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hard to make it. We used to flip one.
The plate.
Drivers have a first seat, yeah? Yeah, down. You really have to pull the Get it, man. Yeah.
We're going to. We're going to be the team. June 2022. 3, 2, 1.
There we go.
Congratulations, but the driving license is suspended.
Against you, most of us, you.
If it works.
What was the first impression when you first arrived here? What did you think? What was just the first impression? Just the first thoughts that you had when you arrived?
There'll be a race.
One at a time?
There'll be a race with all the cones. There'll be a race.
Okay. How do you feel about it?
It feels good that we won now, yeah.
The judgment is going
No,
to be
it's all good.
calculation is still at
Yeah, for me, I thought it would be like we will be running or something. I did not think we will build something.
Okay.
So, yeah. Then things get a turn, so yeah, that's what happened.
Okay. Russia?
Yeah, honestly speaking, I didn't think that we're gonna make it until the end with this weather, but I'm proud of ourselves. We're sweating, but we still had fun. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, it was nice.
It was really, really cool. I was really worried about like the engine parts, but honestly, like we delegated, so it was really, really cool. Like how this got together, because I'm definitely not.
Yeah, then we'll go into the process, but that was like the challenge when we said that we have to make a car and make it fun. How was it? Did you feel like we're going to do it?
Yeah, but in a good way, because you're gonna think out of the box.
And Nadine, I mean, we've been talking like from...
I know, not
So-
1 month since like I think January.
Yeah, exactly. Did you expect it was like this? Or?
No. I'm surprised. Actually, surprised. But
Okay.
it was in a good way. Yeah.
Great. Okay, so let's talk about the process, like how it was going, how you felt engaged with the team. So, from a personal point of view, you had fun? Yes? Medium? No? Yes? Kind of, okay. Okay. So we succeeded in our mission, right? Bringing smile to work environment.
Yes.
Great, thank you. This is worth all the sweating today.
It's all worth it. Huh?
49 degrees.
But our skin is gonna be amazing tomorrow.
Yeah, it's an natural moisturizer. No, we don't have to.
No cream or nothing.
A lot to go there today.
Okay, from a team point of view, how did you find your colleagues? How was interacting with them? This I would like to hear from you because it's interesting. Where do we start from?
Yeah, I can go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I felt like having like a lot of people together like create more creativity. So like we thought of something, then we end up with something else, and I feel that's really cool. And I like the fact that I feel we're like working automatically, you know, like we just work on thing and then the other people work on that. So I like this. So I enjoyed it.
That's what I noticed, automatically.
Yeah, exactly.
So you did not delegate
Guys,
anything.
they took the part of engineering part.
We just
yeah,
discussed
they
it,
took
the
care
plan.
of decoration
And then everybody just took it upon themselves. We'll do this, we'll do that. They were doing the artwork. Nothing, nobody delegated anything.
Yeah,
It came naturally.
And we were always like, let's say we don't have anything in our hand, so what can I do? Who's doing what?
Yeah.
I need a scissor. Someone's cutting
And
here. Someone
actually,
is
we
doing
have
this.
extra time to decorate even the internal part. Number one, see, like.
No, on the decoration, I've seen that you never were satisfied. Okay, I have some more time. I can. And this is, I mean, of course, in the car it doesn't take us anywhere, but in the business, this kind of attitude, it's a good one, right?
Russia actually wanted to go to her room and get some Swarovski crystals.
Imagine if we had another hour, we turned that into like a Ferrari or something. It's just going.
But the plate, Dubai, are
Where's the plate?
In the accident, in the accident.
When they crash,
Have
they
that plan
I'm joking.
And the accident was funny.
how was the team part in your group?
It was like
Did you,
Hamilton and who's the other guy now? Verstappen.
Guys, guys.
So with our group, like there's like automatically Guillaume like did the engineering part, and then we did the decoration. So yeah.
And we thought that he's the funnest, but that's why he was the first driver. This is most interesting. Then Nadim fit as well.
Yeah.
did you expect to produce this result at the end?
No, actually, I think we had a moral crash in the middle when we realized, okay, this is not working. And then, it works. It works.
I mean, from a team point of view, what do you think was the most useful insight that you had? That's probably the most important thing. Something that you probably did not expect. You like, I mean, what was the surprise for you from a team point of view? If you had any insights,
Honestly, for me, the trust.
doesn't always happen like that, or
No, because sometimes, you know, you have things that happen within each function. You have things that happen from one country to another country, and you usually have a lot of debate. And no one comes in unity when there's a debate. Whereas in this team, we were saying like, no, this is gonna work, this is not gonna work. We even debated what's not gonna work, which usually does not take place in the organization. It's usually people maybe protecting themselves from the wrong, but it's not about protecting yourself, it's about as a team, where can we go together? So I think that was...
Even before we did not work together. So I worked with Mariam and Rasha, but the rest of the team I never worked with them, and it was as well like easy to smooth.
very
Yeah,
smooth.
so smooth. Yeah. So that's so cool.
Yeah, I mean that's something that if we can take just a little piece of this and take to work, I mean, it would have been worth the investment, no, or time and sweating and. Right, it's a nice sensation. Did you like it? Did you feel?
Yes, of course. It was really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Any other insights? Any other? I don't know.
It was fun. I don't know what. No, everybody.
When you think about
Teamwork,
it,
for me,
before
teamwork is
starting,
always-
you feel like, how are we gonna do it? But when you start doing it, it's very entertaining, very fun, very nice practice for team, for like all teams.
Like
It was really nice.
I think for us the realization was because everyone was working on a different thing.
So all of us was working on something different. And then at a certain point we were like, oh no, this is not gonna work. And then when we put everything together, it actually worked out.
One piece.
Like,
Masterpiece.
is it? So it was
debatable. That's okay.
I think another thing for us, we improvise as we went along, right? Because we figured we want to put the logos in the front first, then we figured it's not going to work, so then we pushed it to the back. We saw the wheels, we saw they were hitting the cardboard, so we made arches to cut them out. So we saw the practicality, we improvised, we changed if we needed to. We showed flexibility, right? We were okay with changing the design back.
And you taught us this thing, what was it?
Spoiler. Ladies had no idea what a spoiler was. I almost had to Google it.
Like spoiler, I'm like,
Also, we learned something. We had a mistake. Remember, we had a mistake.
But not an aerodynamic spoiler.
So we learned it. We take it. Nobody screamed or like getting panic.
I like this part. It's kind of underestimated, but can you repeat it? Like there was a mistake, like
Correct.
huge, like.
So these 2 cubes got
Rush sugar.
became rush sugar, but it's almost like few minutes left. But nobody like rushed
Panicked or
panicked.
something, we just fixed
We
it.
did it. We fixed it.
Yeah.
And then,
Everybody contributing for the fixation, right? Very good.
Sugar rush.
I mean, I have to say I'm very happy. I've seen people smiling and I'm happy. I've listened to you giving great feedback, valuable feedback for you. And it's even more important because at the end of the day, taking some good insight into the working life, it's nice. If we work in a healthy environment, we are, I think, happier in a way. And so if we give a little contribution to your team, we are very happy. I would like to thank the team, Mohammed, Yasser, Adela, and we hope to see you soon again, very soon.